Yung nanay Lily, ano yan ang klase ng nanay na matapang. Saka mahigpit. Pero dahil sa kanyang katapangan, kahigpitan sa amin, napalaki niya kami ng mayos.
Yan na mabait. Although mahigpit siya.
Disciplinarian talaga.
Ano siya, mahigpit. Mahigpit, sobrang mahigpit.
Mahigpit, masungit, pero kahit ganon, mahal na mahal niya yung mga apo niya.
Stricta, pero sobrang mapagmahal. Matapang, prangka, ganun.
Sabi po ni Ben, matapang.
Mapagmahal siya, lahat gagawin niya para sa family niya. At the same time, never give up na nanay siya. Kaya yun ang nakamana namin sa kanya, kapatid.
Siyang the best nanay, as in sobrang the best. 10 out of 10. Napaka-selfless. Mahal na mahal namin siya.
Nanay na unconditional na magmahal sa anak. Kahit meron kang sablay, hindi niya titingnan yung sablay mo. Ang titingnan niya kung paano ka makaka-recover sa sablay mo.
Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is la vie en roses. When you kiss me, heaven
Wish ko sa'yo ay stay healthy always and always remember na kahit anong mangyari, nandito na kami sa iyo. Lagi ka naming sasamahan.
Dalangin ko na magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay, malusog na buhay, naging produktibo ka bilang nanay. At the same time, nag-i-guide mo kami ng mabuti at napalaki mo po kami ng maayos. Maraming salamat po para doon.
Wish you all the best po in life and more birthdays to come.
Hanga kami sa tibay mo and sana good health pa sa'yo always. Thank you sa pagpapalaki mo sa amin na lagi kang nandyan. Hindi mo kami iniiwanan hanggang ngayon. Sana umabot ka ng 105 years old. I pray po na i-grant ni Lord lahat ng prayers and wishes niyo po and long life for you po. God bless. I love you po.
Papasalamat kami kasi kahit papaano, nagabayan niya kami. Kahit ngayon, may mga anak na ako, nagagabay niya rin. Masabi ko lang, mahal namin siya.
Lahat kami lumaking ganito. Narating namin yung mga gusto namin marating nang dahil sa disiplina at mga payo at alaga na binigay niya sa amin.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pag-aalaga and I really appreciate everything na ginagawa mo para sa akin. Kahit malapit ako mag-senior citizen, inaalagaan mo pa rin ako.
We wish you long life pa para matagal pa tayong magsama sa ligaya at masulit nyo pa ang pensyon. Ayan, happy birthday. We love you so much.
Sana humaba pa yung buhay mo at winner na winner ka na at God bless po.
I wishing you all the best, good health, more blessings to come. We love you all.
There's a certain kind of beauty that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you made it through the fire. It's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wild each day.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happiest 80th birthday, Nanay. I love you so much and enjoy your day.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay Lily. We love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay. Maraming salamat and I love you.
I love you, Tita. Mahal na mahal kita. God bless you. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy 80th birthday. We love you. Lagi lang kami nandito. At nakasuporta sa'yo sa lagi.
Hi, Nanay Lily. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nay. Naway bigyan ka pa ng kung may kapal ng mas maraming pang birthday at kalakasan ng pangangato. Mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday po ulit, Nanay. We love you po. Happy birthday ulit, Nanay. Happy 80th and I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you so much and enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.